to Tinubu, if Wike can cause Jonathan to lose his election, he will make Tinubu to lose his election. Wike's sole ambition is to be president. And that is why he's fighting a SIM. He wanted to take all the money from Rivers State to waste them as he did when he was a governor. I thank God the same Wike has gone to court to remove the perpetual injunction which Odili obtained. And so, when that injunction is removed, we shall see his fate. He will account for all these billions and billions and billions he gave to different states, who also earn from the same federation account. So we are not bothered. Whatever he has done, the Niger Delta have told Nigerians, Pandef has told Nigerians, this is the state of the matter. There's an uneasy car with the Niger Delta. We need to nip it. Otherwise, he will not come to blame us. Because at the end of the day, say leaders. Yar'Adua came, thought military can help him. The more the military bomb, the more the oil production went down. It was Yar'Adua himself who summoned the meeting and gave us amnesty and Niger Delta Ministry. Wike has encouraged Mr. President to remove the Niger Delta Ministry, and has also encouraged Mr. President to remove amnesty. That's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do. It's also encouraging Mr. President to remove the MDTC, MD, to give it to anywhere. There's nothing we can do. But history will judge when the time comes. So for me, Wike is rather a problem to Tinubu than even Niger Delta. And it's left to Tinubu to decide whether it goes with Wike or it goes with the people. When I mean people, it's only the Niger Delta. I said Wike has showing seat of conduct, seat of discord with the north, the east, and the south-south. So, Mr. President should watch. The next stage Wike will attack is the southwest. It will sow seed of discord between the southwest, and Mr. President will be left alone. And what will be his fate? 2027, which Mr. President thinks Wike will give him, if Wike will disappoint him. Wike is destroying PDP today, thinking it's working for Tinubu. It's not working for Tinubu. Nigerians are smart. You can see what is going on now in the country. The APC people, governors and former governors, are moving to SDP. The same thing he did for Jonathan. So Tinubu should be very watchful. That's all I can say.